honorable dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, very good afternoon. Opening a session post-lunch and getting the desired attention is an Herculean task, but I'll try my best to do that. Well, we are from Mediacaso Healthcare, a social enterprise based in Mumbai, and we work in the field of menstrual hygiene management. Now, sorry. Why menstrual hygiene management? This is a subject which is very, very sensitive. Not much information is, properly imparted to the girl child in our society, especially in societies like ours. And also, there's a taboo attached to it and a lot of myths around it. So what do we see? I mean, there are problems associated with menstruation and menstrual sanitary protection. What we are addressing here are two factors, health and environment. So we conduct awareness programs which revolve around health and environment awareness. Let's see. This is not really visible, that's right. So there are certain facts which are related to menstruation, which are basically women and girls. So girls and women, they face a lot of problems during menstruation, problems like rashes, excoriation, allergies, infections, life-threatening bacterial infection like toxic shock syndrome and all of this. And what do they use to maintain their hygiene is, products like sanitary pads, tampons, or predominantly in countries like ours, it's cloth. And what do we see? I mean, there are serious problems associated with, disposable menstrual sanitary protections like pads and tampons, which you can see the environmental issues they're non-biodegradable because they're made of synthetic material, and also you have sewage block-ups and all sorts of things. Then we go to see the economical issues. It's an expenditure practically on trash, and it's a recurring expenditure. As well, the whole hassle of buying, storing, disposing a used menstrual sanitary protection. That's a big problem. The most critical issue is the environmental issue, which is what we will address in the next slide. So look at what happens due to disposable menstrual sanitary protections like pads and tampons. I mean, these are made with synthetic materials, so they are non-biodegradable. They take about 500 to 800 years to decompose. Statistics say that on an average, a woman has about 3,500 days in her lifetime of menstruation. And a woman uses on an average about 10,000 to 12,000 sanitary pads during her entire lifetime, which is about 250 cubic feet of landfill. And all this is non-biodegradable. They spread diseases, block drains, and burning them, if they're not properly incinerated, they release toxic gases in the environment. So all in all, it's a big problem. What is the solution? The solution is a reusable menstrual sanitary protection, which is what we have come up with, which is the She Cup. It's a menstrual cup, next please. It's a menstrual cup made of silicone, and it is worn internally in the vaginal cavity, and it is basically reusable and it can be sterilized. Now, what are we trying to address over here? This is how it remains in the body. There are 6 features which are fulfilled, the basic requirements in a menstrual sanitary protections which are fulfilled by the She Cup. That is health and safety, hygiene and cleanliness, comfort, convenience, economy, and most importantly, it is eco-friendly. Now, we look at how a She Cup as compared to other products is better, and all these are provided at only rupees 695, which is less than a year's expenditure on menstrual sanitary protection. A woman can use this for more than 10 years if used properly. It is tested and certified as per the US Pharmacopoeia for including an implantation test as well. Next please. It is recommended by senior gynecologists in the country. There are clinical trials which have been done on it. We are the only brand in the world globally with clinical trial reports. It has been used in major research conducted in 60 villages of Bihar, which was funded by Gates Foundation, and this was conducted by 2 American universities, so it was cleared by the ethical committee of these universities, and we were also chosen by the Karnataka State Pollution Control Board to present the She Cup during their environmental exhibition in this June. Now, where do we see the She Cup has been, no, the same slide, please. The She Cup, when we went to gynecologists, doctors, or, when we were generally, in January 2010, when we came out with this, we were interacting with people, and mostly people said that this is basically for urban educated women. But in our experience, and with the research report from Bihar, it is clear that this has been equally useful for women in the rural sector, girls or women in the rural sector. As well, we have sold internationally a product which is completely designed, developed, and made in India. We've gone cross-border. At the same time, the user profile includes students, homemakers from all strata of society, which is, from the age of, from teenage to menopause. Next, please. What we are looking for, when we started in January 2010, we were doing about 1,000 She Cups a year. Today, we are at about 6,000 She Cups a year. In the next 18 to 24 months, with our rebranding and packaging and being more active on the social media, we propose to reach a number of 36,000 per annum. What we are looking at and how will we achieve this is because in a country like ours, only 12% of women are using branded menstrual sanitary protection, disposable menstrual sanitary protection. Government is promoting the distribution of disposable sanitary pads. We want government to consider something like this on the basis of the research reports and certifications that we have. CSR from corporate sector for their staff and also for the society would be very helpful. At the same time, we are looking at increasing our global outreach. What we are looking at is also associations with like-minded organizations or NGOs who are promoting similar kind of concept. What we bring here are the tangible benefits of a menstrual cup, the intangible benefits, like the whole feeling of liberation, happiness in a woman. A woman is basically the epicenter of any household, a lady, and a happier and a healthier woman would definitely contribute to a happier and healthier society. That's what we endeavor to do over here. Thank you.